Welcome to our YouTube channel, me Madan. Today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Office 365 without any license or without any key, without any installation. That one is totally free. Please watch this video till to the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start now. First of all, you have to press some keys from your keyboard and you have to connect your PC or connect your laptop internet. I will show you the on-screen keyboard, which is easier to press the key. You have to press 4 keys, Alt, Windows, Control and Shift. Then the browser will be open. In this browser you can see here install Office by Microsoft 365. Just click whatever you want, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel or PowerPoint, whatever. I will click on Word. You can see here the blank document will be open. Click on blank document and then after, wait, if you did not log in your email on your desktop or your PC, then you have to log in your email address or password. I have already logged in my username, my email, and it is open like this. Now you can see here, you can type anything here. This is the clearly sample of FFIC Office 365. You can see here. Now if you want to change this font size, font type, then you can see here, just I will change one Nepali font, PRET, pretty, and then press enter. Now we can write it here. Ramro. You can select it here and then change the font size. You can see Rambo. It means it is totally free. You can use Microsoft Office 365 without installation. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.